I would like to tell about The Great Gatsby and how the character Gatsby represents the American dream. So, The Great Gatsby takes place in New York in the 1920s. The Great Gatsby is written by Scott Fitzgerald. Narrator is a young man called Nick Carraway. And the, and the main characters are Jay Gatsby, Daisy Buchanan, and Tom Buchanan. Jay Gatsby was born into a very poor family in the countryside. His original name was Jim Gatz. He reinvented himself as a wealthy, mysterious man with a magnificent mansion and extravagant parties. His transformation from a young, poor farm boy to rich and famous man symbolizes that through hard work and ambition, anyone can make it big and achieve social status. In a way, you could say that was the American dream, and he had dreamed that dream since he was a young boy. This quote showcases his journey. He had come a long way to this blue lawn, and his dream must have seemed so close that he could hardly fail to grasp it. So, not only was he rich, he was extremely rich, and he spent also his life building an image and a high status who lies about his background. And he said, I am the son of some wealthy people in the Middle West, all dead now. And as you can hear, this is not very convincing, and that's why no one believes him. So, from an outer perspective, he's a classic example of the American dream. But from an inner perspective, however, Gatsby's story also reflects on the darker side of the American dream. Despite his business empire, he was never truly satisfied. At that time, there was a big difference between new and old money. The rich families had been rich for generations, and they would never acknowledge Gatsby and fully accept him, no matter his achievements. That tells us that the American dream could only be achieved to a certain degree. It was simply not possible to get that as high status as old money. Um, as the story tells, with hard work and a bit of luck, you could rise quickly, just like Gatsby. But you could also fall overnight. An example from the novel is Tom and Daisy's behavior, which is described as narcissistic and opportunistic. They were careless people, Tom and Daisy. They smashed up things and creatures, and then retreated back into their old money, or their vast carelessness, or whatever it was that kept them together, and let other people clean up the mess they had made. In the 1920s, the American dream was greater and wilder than ever before. Um, and it was after the First World War, and the communism was booming. There was a small elite who had been rich for generations and had huge sums of money. Many on Wall Street became very rich, and others earned illegal money through the liquor prohibition. The liquor prohibition was created to help poor people, but instead it became a huge moneymaker for organized crime. So, the American dream's traditional values the idea of achieving success achieved through hard work and determination. However, when wealth is gained or acquired through like illegal or unethical means, it challenges the integrity of the American dream. So the question is if wealth gained through criminal activities can be considered the American dream. Um, in Gatsby's case, his criminal enterprise undermined his achievements and his money. In my opinion, the American dream is about fulfilling good dreams within the legal boundaries. Um, and the American dream cannot be gained through criminality. But for Gatsby, it was probably the only way of making it. The story of Gatsby warns us that the American dream isn't always as it seems, and chasing it too much can end in failure.